Let's go. First time on a Duffy.
Hey, do I look low key though? To stay hydrated. You know, some light for this heat.
Hottie for the thotty.
Body for the hottie.
Wait, hold up. The Kovac.
Take a shot every time you hear too bad.
Ooh, hello.
Wanna bang?
I'm down. Hey, all right, we'll see you guys later. I really want to sit on that bench right now. Wait. Do not sit.
Drop it. Camera or do shots?
She's so risky. Hey! Yo, he's jacked. So cute. What's up, my guy? How's life been? Rough? Great fucking shirt, man. Hey, look, it's my other hose.
I don't give a shit who drives the boat. Do not crash the boat. I don't care if whoever's driving the boat is
Let me drive
drinking,
the boat.
Do not crash the fucking boat, okay?
Alright, let's crash this boat!
Gonna crash the boat. There's nothing you can do about it.
Some girls really just like to live on the edge. Very edgy. Very edgy. Spell it! Dotties! Take a shot!
Take a fat ball!
Alright, now throw it back. It's my favorite letter of the alphabet. Are you good, bro?
I just need to collect my thoughts. Here they come, baby.
Are you better now?
Great now, great.
I ain't a thought.
Girl, you smoking. And it says no smoking, so you gotta go somewhere else. Put it in the hole. Put it in the... Remy! I have butterflies right now. Hey, are you single?
Actually has like 40 girlfriends.
I look bad, dude. Look at him. Hey, teach me your ways.
Hey, everyone watching, you're my heaven on earth. Ho, if you will.
I'm just calling to say it's me.
Remy, we love you!